Describe your immediate family.
There are 4 people in my immediate family. They are my father, my mother, my younger brother, and me. My father works in an office, and my mother takes care of the house. My brother is a student. I love my family very much because they always support and make me happy.
How many people are there in your immediate family?
There are 4 people.
Who are they?
They are my father, my mother, my younger brother, and me.
What does your father do?
He works in an office.
What does your mother do?
She takes care of the house.
What does your brother do?
He is a student.
Do you love your family?
Yes, I love my family very much.
Why do you love your family?
Because they always support and make me happy.